So in this video I'm going to be explaining why do extremely valuable people contribute to foss software. So why do extremely valuable people contribute to foss software that they didn't make? Why do thousands of extremely highly technically educated code engineers dedicate hundreds if not thousands of hours of their most valuable resource, time, into something like foss for free when they could be spending that very same time making a tremendous amount of money with their highly specialized skill set? Why did people decide to make foss software? We got a couple answers here. First answer: most of the core contributors to the kernel are the and the big major projects are paid to work on it. Why? Licensing software is expensive. Companies like Amazon would rather dedicate hours of some employees to working on software that they use daily than to pay for the licenses to run pay-to-use software on the hundreds of thousands of servers that they have located all over the world as part of Amazon Web Services. It gives them the ability to get the changes that they need into production quickly. It allows them the ability to direct the prioritization of features they think matter, and importantly, they get to write off the labor cost as a charity donation. Answer 2. A huge number of really critical servers around the planet run Linux. Think airline and hotel reservations, let alone a vast number of websites. Take a look, for example, at the IBM ads often embedded into the flow of Reddit. Big IT service companies make huge use of it. It's worth IBM, Google, and even Microsoft paying staff to work on and contribute to it. 3. Because designing, testing, and releasing the files for open source weapons development, foss software, is a direct and effective form of nonviolent protest to legislation that violates your God-given rights. That's in reference to FOSSCAD and weapons development for free and open source software. Fourth answer is FOSS developers don't create FOSS software as a commercial product, but they need/want the software for their own personal use. Having more people use the software is beneficial to them. Since more users means more feedback, making the code available is also beneficial to them since users find bugs they won't be able to identify and fix those bugs, reducing the workload for the developers so the FOSS developers get the software they need for themselves while dedicating less time and effort than they would have if the software development entirely was a proprietary project. So there you go. There are a couple answers of why do extremely valuable people contribute to foss software.